In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Microsoft Planner if your inbox is getting crowded with assignment reminders and due date alerts. This quick walkthrough will help you quiet the noise while keeping your plans running smoothly. Start by opening Microsoft Planner in your web browser and signing into the account you use for work or school. You can open any plan. These settings are tied to your profile, not to a specific plan, so you don't need to navigate to a particular board before changing them. Look to the top right corner of the Planner window for the gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open your personal preferences. From the menu that appears, choose Notifications. This takes you to the page where you can control which emails and alerts Planner sends you. On the Notifications page, you'll see options that govern common messages. To stop new assignment emails, turn off the option that says someone assigns a task to me. With this disabled, Planner won't send you an email each time a teammate assigns you a task, which is especially useful if you already track assignments directly in the Planner board or in the Tasks app in Teams. Next, turn off the option for a task assigned to me is due, overdue, or due soon. This prevents reminder emails about upcoming due dates, overdue items, and those gentle nudges that arrive as a deadline approaches. If you prefer to manage your time using the Planner schedule view, calendar integrations, or your own to-do list, disabling these reminders can help reduce duplicate alerts. When you've adjusted those two settings, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the page and click it. You should see your preferences update immediately. If you recently received a reminder, you might still see one more notification that was already queued, but new emails will stop based on the switches you just turned off. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. You can return to this notifications page anytime to turn these options back on if your workflow changes. Also, keep in mind that Planner email notifications are separate from other tools. If your organization uses Microsoft Teams, channel posts, or app alerts, there may still appear based on Teams' own settings. The same goes for mobile push notifications if you use related apps. Check those apps' notification settings if you want to streamline everything consistently. That's it. You've successfully turned off Planner assignment and due date notifications and taken control of your focus. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these settings whenever you need to fine-tune your alerts.